Here at the Weather Center with Chief Meteorologist Kris Krocker, who's had her eye on the weather all day long and tallying the measurements of the water.
Yes, we have had some impressive rainfall totals today. It's the subject of tonight's Forecast Focus. Here in Spokane at our official reporting station at Spokane International Airport, the 24-hour total, and it started around 10 o'clock last night, 57/100ths of an inch, over a ½ inch of rain. Nowhere near our record, which is closer to 3/4 of an inch, but it has been so dry around here. All of September and early October, we only managed 1/100th more than that. And I think we may actually tie that by later this evening, as it's still coming down very lightly at the airport. This is a good cure for the dust storm problems that we had earlier this month. So again, very heavy rain across the region, especially when in comparison to how dry it has been for more than a month now. Here's a look at some of the other 24-hour rainfall totals from across the region. Moses Lake and Coeur d'Alene close to a ½ inch. Again, these are airport readings. Pullman 64/100, Spirit Lake 7/10, and Airway Heights, actually it's out at the National Weather Service office. It's in Spokane City, but it's out by the Air Force, almost 3/4 of an inch of rain. Here's a look at 6 hours worth of radar data, and we see a band of precipitation now moving in to North Idaho and western Montana, moving out of the Spokane area. Behind it, we have the chance of a few sprinkles overnight tonight, but otherwise we will be drying out and starting to see some patchy fog developing. Snow level fairly high right now, will be even higher with the next system on the way. Our temperature is currently 51 in Spokane. It's 50 degrees in Coeur d'Alene, 41 in Sandpoint, and 58 degrees in Lewiston. Taking a look at our satellite and radar, one system moving out of the way. We are going to be in a westerly flow with a little bit of a ridge of high pressure building in for Thursday and most of Friday. We won't be completely dry. Still a chance of some mountain showers tomorrow in the northeast mountains, North Idaho, as well as western Montana. And then we are looking to the southwest for another system coming in Friday night and into Saturday. That looks like it could bring almost as much rain, if not more, than the system that we had moved through last night and today. And it's going to bring even warmer weather to the region. So we are talking valley rain and only high mountain snow. Winter weather advisories in effect for parts of North Dakota, with the snow flying there. Wet weather further to the south. Pretty quiet in the west after yesterday's strong storm rocked California with high winds and flooding rains. We're drying out for Thursday and most of Friday. The wet weather will return Friday night and into Saturday, but it's coming along with some warm air, so we are looking for rain Saturday. Pretty soggy. Right now, Sunday's a bit of a question mark. I think it's going to stay dry, but stay tuned. With a very active weather pattern like this, sometimes difficult to time these storms.